Hi, my name is Larry. Today we've got a Ryobi trimmer, and basically the problem that you're going to be dealing with is it'll idle, but when you give it the throttle, it does not speed up at all. And you may have changed the plug, cleaned the filters, changed the fuel lines, and it still does it. I'm going to show you what it is. It's the spark arrestor. Now it's easy to get to. You're just going to take this cover off that takes the rope pull off. You're using Torx tools. Not sure right off what the size is. I'll see if I can get it. Now I'm going to put a little insert in here. This is from 3 months ago. I did this before. Now it's not going to be that bad when I take it off this time, but you can see it was pretty messed up. It had too much oil got in the gas. That's the spark arrestor. It's a screen, and you can see you can't even see through it. It's restricted, and that's the problem. Now I'm going to continue the video here so you can see exactly what you have to do to get to that point. It's pretty simple. You don't have to take all these other covers off. You can do it right through here. And you just slide the muffler out. It won't take you very long to do something like this. And it's going to save you money putting it in the shop or going to buy a new Ryobi. But it is an easy fix. But it can drive you nuts if you don't know what you're looking for. Take those little screws out there. It's 3 of them. There's your screen. And you're going to need to just wire brush it, clean it up, put it back in. And you'll find that it'll probably work great, because that's more than likely what your problem is going to be. And you want to wire brush back and front. Wipe any excess oil off, because that's normally where the problem comes from. Too much oil in the gas. But they naturally just clog up anyway. It's a bit of a pain, but it's there for safety. And just put it back together the same way you took it apart. Stick it back in there, put the 2 screws in, and you're done. Please subscribe to my videos. I've got some more coming up, and you may miss them if you're not subscribed. So you want to go ahead and subscribe now so you don't forget. I do put in a variety of different things. I'll mix them up. So you never know what's coming up, but I think they'll be useful to you. I use a little flashlight to see in it so you can line the screws up sometimes. It makes it a little bit easier. Now, you don't want to strip the screws, especially when you put the other cover on, because you put the screws into plastic. If you tighten them too tight, you're going to strip it. With the impact, that's not hard to do. And as you can see, that was not a big job at all. So now you can get back out there and work in that hot sun and do your weed whacking. Have a terrific day. Thanks for coming by.